So we just check out from the hotel. Now it's time to explore the city of Budapest. I'm just thinking, what's the capital city again? Because so many brand new thing in my mind.
Second biggest river in Europe. 3 capital cities living. They are next to this river. What we're gonna visit today, actually.
Okay. They have Orlen.
We have a Hungarian wall in Poland. They have a Polish Orlen in Hungary. It's like a brotherhood, you know. It was always actually since many years back, since the war or something.
Okay.
The brother.
Speed limit camera ahead.
You see, speed limit camera, don't over.
I always drive slow,
Okay.
especially outside of Poland.
Okay. So this one is the outskirt of the city center. This is the IKEA, big IKEA, and behind I see so many block as well. Look at the border, so many countries. Yes, now we are in the toll road, right, Kohane? And
Look at this signboard actually. So you can go to Slovenia, Austria, Slovakia, Vienna, Balaton. You have to, don't mess up which direction you go. You're going into direction of Vienna.
M7.
And on the way we're gonna go to Bratislava, as we are already nearby.
Okay.
So we're gonna see it. 225 kilometers only to Vienna, actually. Vienna. Not that far.
Oh, so many signs here. They have so many toll road. Yeah. Oh dear. SK.
SK is Slovakia, SO is Slovenia. Don't mess up. That's 2 different countries. One is on the north, one is on the west.
Oh, I see.
Nice.
This is what we like about the road trip. We really could enjoy the landscape in every country. Tako hanya?
Exactly like that. You can see something. If you fly only Budapest, you see only Budapest. But if you drive, you see many other things and experience many things.
Beautiful. This is like hill. It's nice. Okay. This is what actually the beauty of the road trip. You will see so many beautiful landscape here. On the left, on the right, changing colors of the trees. It's beautiful. I see the houses on the hill. Oh, people are climbing the hill. Wow. Camper van with the Vespa.
Yeah.
Wow. How long? Bratislava. One thing that I learned in Europe is that whenever there is a road construction, they will put like a sign like this, and you have to reduce the speed, right? And simply like
what?
different. Oh my god.
No piece of tree, green leaf on the.
I know, just said there is no banana tree in the middle of the whole.
Yeah.
Not the whole road. I mean like the big hole.
Yeah.
I know. It's just simply different. This is a land of sunflowers. Autumn is so pretty. Look at on the left side. So cute. in a few kilometers there must be a stop point, right? Like rest area.
Tak.
And every few 10,000 kilometers or something like that, there will be a petrol station.
Also about 50 kilometers.
50 kilometers. Yeah, so because you know, like the road construction and the toll road is really, really big. Like 3 lines, sometimes also 4 line.
No less than 2.
No less than 2. So we arrive in Bratislava.
No, the Slovakia.
Slovakia. Oh, that's the border. Slovenska Republika.
Tak.
Okay.
So this is the border. We're going back to Slovakia for 2 hours to see Bratislava.
Yes.
So then we're going to Austria. To Slovensko.
Tak.
So cool, huh? That was the big border long time ago.
Yes.
Now you are crossing just the borders like you just drive. You don't even slowing down that much.
Right.
Welcome to Slovakia. Back again.
We arrive in Bratislava. Tak. Almost Bratislava, and this is how it looks. Flat. And this is still in the toll road. Okay, we arriving in Bratislava, the capital city of Slovakia. Okay, interesting. Here we are. Let's see the main business district building. Interesting. Right, on the right, seems like this already a central business district, tak? Hani?
Tak.
And the thing is that when I see the Slovakian word, somehow, they have a Monaco casino here. Somehow I understand, you know, like what is it about? Because some of the words I think they have the same, tak, but
They are the same or very similar.
similar.
Maybe not exactly the same, but similar. You can understand the
Yeah.
meaning is the same or very similar.
Yes. Okay. So here in front of me, and I think that this one is the central business district. This bridge.
Apollo Bridge, Bratislava, and the rivers again.
Yes.
Maybe you cannot see much. This is the Dunai-Dunabi river.
Oh, that's the same river in the.
Tak. In one day we visit 3 capital cities in 3 different countries at the front of the same river, you know? How cool is this, huh?
Yes.
I mean, this is something what you and me can do, but most people will spend like a week in each city, but we do 3 cities in one day. But who else do like that, you know? This is like, be different, you know?
Tak. Yes. We just simply do many things
Different.
differently.
Different.
Okay, so this one is the central. Okay.
We're going to the mall. Have Eurovia Mall or Eurovia Mall or whatever you call it. And then we're going to the Rynek, to the square, if there is a square, but the old town anyways, here in Bratislava. I just hope I'm gonna easily find the parking to park.
Yes.
It shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it's somewhere here.
Okay. Right.
If Sheraton is here, that's mean we are in good location.
Okay.
Because if Sheraton is or Marriott, that's mean it's the center somewhere.
So I think this is the center.
And this is the fancy mall somewhere. This is the Eurovia, whatever. And I don't know where to park, where to find a parking spot.
Let's see.
Where is the entrance? Oh.
Okay.
Enjoyable drive, isn't it?
Okay, we are heading home. We are going to Praha now. Praha, Czech Republic.
Direction of Praga, Brno, Czech Republic.
Oh.
Because we are going to
okay.
Poland directly, but through the Brno. And the
Okay.
direction is always showing capital cities,
Okay.
or usually.
Right. This one is the outskirt of the Rinek, the market square, tak? They have Rinek, tak, before, right?
Yeah, we were in Rinek.
So many things in my head. Okay, so here in the toll road.
This is like a central business district, I think. This is actually area where we stay.
Yes, we stay here
Somewhere.
or somewhere.
I remember this VN Energy building.
Yeah. Okay. This one is Donau River, tak? They take over from the left. Okay. We will drive for about 6 hours something. Okay. Oh, that's the electricity center from the windmill, eh?
Да.
Interesting. See, Jason or autumn. It's so pretty. Okay, right. So I think that different landscape as well now, yeah.
Да.
Now we are heading to the Czech Republic soon.
Czech Republic borders.
So we are heading to the Czech Republic from still in Austria, and this is actually the trees. I like saying that the trees changing color. It's pretty. Maybe because of the cloud, so it's not as clear, but still enjoyable. See on the left, on the right side. So pretty. And how enjoyable it is to drive. You drive for 7 hours, you just chill.
That's it.
This road trip. I just like to capture a beautiful landscape. So many color, red, yellow, green.
That's the thing.
I think this one is the Republic of Czech. So we are in the border of the Czech Republic. Okay, so this is actually the border to the Czech Republic. You see, that's the sign. That's the border. And we just stop here. I don't know what we're gonna buy. I make a big mistake. I'm in the Czech Republic.
No, we are still in Austria.
No, still in Austria, but in the Czech Republic border. I asked the guy, "What's this beer?" Oh, that's Austrian beer. It's piece of, I was like, he said like that, not me.
Austrian guy said this piece of shit in the border and Czech Republic beer is better. But for my papa, I collecting beers wherever I am. And when I was in Austria, I bought myself Red Bull just because I'm in Austria. And well, we know as the originator of the Red Bull drink was in Austria, but actually taking from the Thai drink, energy drink, the creep drink or whatever. But at least one Red Bull in Austria I should try.
Here we are. Welcome to Czech Republic.
Hold on, the border crossing is somewhere here. This is the still
Police, Austria.
Somewhere here. BTS, there is no more vignettes. Only the sticker vignette is in Austria. After that,
Like this?
after that, everything is just digital one. So no memory anymore.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So many trucks stop here.
Yeah. So where is the border actually?
Yeah, already passed.
No. No. I think the border is at the front of us. But this one was like a checkpoint thingy. So many trucks. So many Polska truck.
Yeah.
Okay. On the map, the border is somewhere here in the corner. This line.
The red line. Okay.
Is the border.
Oh, two, the red building.
Oh, okay. See, I told you it's not the border.
Oh.
All right. Let's see. This is Austria, good for having us here. And this is the
This is the border. Czech
Česká
Republic,
republika.
Česká republika.
And now we are in Czech Republic. That's it.
Yeah.
No border checkpoint crossing, anything like that. I think this one was the long time ago, the border checkpoint crossing.
Yes.
Yeah, previously everywhere was the borders like this. This is old thing because already for many years there is nothing.
It's like left abandoned, like house, like haunted house.
Yeah, but they never destroy it at the end of the day.
Yeah. Piece of memory. Finet.
Alright.
Česká republika.
Česká republika.
E-Finet.
E-vignette. Everything is now electronic, which is good and bad at the same time.
Okay.
Anyways, we are in
Czech Republic.
Czech Republic. Actually,
Whoa.
nice casino.
I know. Casino on the left.
Oh, casino.
And then this is actually the landscape is changing. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay.
Mikulov.
Tak. Napoi drinks. Okay, here it is. Yeah.
There is small town Mikulov. But I didn't know actually as the border crossing is not on the highway. I thought it's the highway border crossing, but actually it's the regular street. Regular.
So many. Okay. We are in the Czech Republic.
Truck. We are in the truck.
First of all, arrive in Czech Republic, we go shopping.
Yeah, it's open even on Sunday. In Poland it's closed. Here it's open. Let's go.
Look at this building. Let's have a break and shopping.
Let's go.
Nishi Chen Kasdiden every day, cheap price. See, if you learn know Polish, you know also some of the words in what is it in Czech Republic, tak?
Tak.
Okay. Idziemy, kochani.
Idziemy.
Right. You see, I think this one is the land of the grapes. vineyard. You see that the landscape already changed. Hills and yeah. Look at this. So pretty. Different country, already different landscape.
Yeah, that's true.
Uh-huh.
Look there, look there, look there.
Ooh. Ooh, wow, wow.
This is something
Ooh,
different.
my life be like, oh my god.
Everywhere is water, lah.
This is the lake.
Must be good for fishing, lah.
Yeah. Somebody has a boat there, or speedboat. Yeah. See, like I told you, already a different landscape.
Water everywhere. That's actually interesting.
Oh, there is a church in the middle of the island. You see that? There is a church in the middle. Yes, so pretty. You see, the type of the house also different. Interesting.
That's also true.
Oh, look, the landscape here still green, like this. Kenish. Interesting. Look at this deer, live wildly. Wow.
So many.
So I think that this is what you will not see if you fly. That's why whenever you have a Europe trip, you better have
Road trip. I mean, I understand there's the road trip, not for everybody, but
babe. Like if you used to drive, you know, a lot, driving a road trip like this is enjoyable. It's totally a different landscape now. We are in the Czech Republic, especially we are in Brno.
we are in Brno right now.
Right. Kuchine. Kitchen. Za 1/2 ceny. Half price. Ah.
And look, this car at the front of us, he's from Italy. That's also interesting.
Yes.
We are going to get to the highway number 2 to Ostrava. Ostrava is the city closest to the Poland. So once we get there, it will be easier to drive.
Okay. And here is the little bit a landscape of the Brno. If you can see that from here, the building type. So here is a shopping center. Back. Okay. So we will go to Ostrava toll road. Yes, big road. In 5 hours we will be home. And this is the landscape. So I think that here is the Brno Centrum. If we go straight and left.
Yeah, you can go to Praga or Ostrava. So many green stuff here.
if you turn right, it will be Prosteo. Something like that. And I think that this one is the industrial.
Look like industrial city.
Yeah, city. Many industry. There's a landscape with a mountain. Yes. I don't know.
The landscape is changing.
Oh, that's the road trip. Nice landscape. Oh, wow.
Short tunnel, but looking decent.
Look at this, the hill on the left. The thing here that I see, they have a nice tree stuck. It's different when you go to Mama place or different when you go to, you know, from Poland to Berlin. You have a pine tree, tak kayaknya?
But here, actually, on our road trip is in total 2,000 kilometers. We didn't see much pine trees. That's true.
Yes. On the right side, I think there is a city there under the hill.
Yeah, I can see the church.
Church also. I'll zoom a bit. Nice. It's beautiful landscape. Okay, so Katowice, Poland. Soon we are heading home. So very big road.
Wow. Okay, Ostrava, Katowice direction.
Yes. This is a very beautiful landscape on the left. So nice. Now it is the flat, and on the right it's like this. I like to record the sun in the mirror. Orlen. Another tunnel. Yes. Okay. I really like to record the tunnel road. It's just like a bling bling in my eyes. And see, the tunnel road in every country is different.
That's the another thing, right?
Okay, so we arrived in the Ostrava area. You see that there are many factories here, I guess. There's on the left is the train station, and yeah, many things. Yeah, I think that the city center almost close by. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, I think that's the factory
Ostrava, the Odra river is going.
Yes, like this.
That's interesting fact. That's the Odra river. I don't know if you can see.
Uh-huh.
So it's the same river what is crossing the border of Poland and Germany
Uh-huh.
when we are going to Berlin.
Yes. I can see already the city here. And I think that there's so many factories here. Yeah. That's the river on right. Katowice, Poland soon. It's literally many factories. So, what you learn after traveling, kochani?
While traveling, I learned that actually Poland is really developing pretty much to compare to those countries what we visited, especially to neighbors like Slovakia and Czech Republic.
A lot.
Really lot. You can see that just when you enter the big city, what's the difference, you know? Not mention about inside.
Here is Ostrava. Seems like really many factories. Okay, so welcome home, Republic Polska. Poland, welcome home.
And we are in Poland. That was actually no border, no nothing, you know? Like just the sign, completely.
Just the sign.
If you will just look on the signs, you will miss it as you enter Poland, you know?
Yes. Welcome home.
Welcome home. And you can drive 140 legally. The fastest highways in Europe right now.
Okay. This is the bridge.
Purple.
Oh my god, look at the sunset. Pink color. No filter needed.
No filter.
I think that the last time that I see like this is still back in Indonesia. I think that last time I see that's already in Poland though. But it's just beautiful.
Yeah, but that's remind us this is actually toll road, but it's free right now because many of Polish highways are free recently. So they are open gates. You can just go through. There is nothing to pay. But this reminds me when I was driving on Toll Mandara in Bali.
I know.
Also, often from Uluwatu after sunset, right? Or during the sunset.
Ah. It's just like last year you are in Bali.
Yeah, this time.
This
still.
time you are in Poland.